Copa serves old-time forgotten Cuban recipes. What I love about Copa is it's real Cuban food.
I definitely thought of sandwiches when I thought of Cuban food, and Copa's totally opened my eyes to what Cuban food can be.
What I love about Copa is Roberto and Elizabeth and the history that they've brought to this place. And I know a lot of the recipes are from Roberto's grandmother's recipe book.
One of my favorite food memories from growing up in Cuba is my mother and my grandmother's cooking arroz con pollo, which is rice and chicken. We are a farm-to-table project, and we have a sister farm. Its name is Terra Sacra, and that's why we believe that mise en place, the prep work for the kitchen, really starts in the soil. El Nuevo Manual del Cocinero Cubano is a very old Cuban cookbook. It showcases a diversity of ingredients that are not seen nowadays in current Cuban cuisine. For example, one of our main recipes for our dinner menu is butifarra cubana, which is a Cuban-style sausage that brings in spices from Spain, but also from Middle Eastern countries like cloves and star anise and cinnamon. Albóndigas cubanas. They are meatballs made with lamb and almond flour, braised in a light sauce with tomatoes, onions, and white wine. Fricassé de pato is a duck braised dish with potatoes and tomatoes served in its own broth. Ropa vieja a la americana is a long-forgotten version of Cuba's signature dish, served with North Carolina grass-fed beef, slow-cooked with wine, mint, and tomato. Tarta de almendras. It's a classic Spanish almond cake that has been served to pilgrims and immigrants alike for centuries.
I am from Cuba. For many years, I tried to find a place where I can have some kind of food that relate to my country. It's not a Miami food, it's not a Floridian food, it's just something that goes back to who we are in Cuba.
The artwork in Copa is almost as good as the food. The food is excellent, but the artwork is exceptional.
We have a personal connection to all of the artwork that's on the walls. Some of the photographs are by my father, who's a photographer. We have a mural wall with original ink drawings from a Cuban artist named Richard. The building is almost 100 years old. It was first built as the Baldwin department store. We tried to bring into the interior some elements that would be recognizable from both colonial era Cuba and 19th century Cuba. Our bar program focuses on craft cocktails that come from Prohibition and pre-Prohibition era Cuba. That was the time that was really the golden age of cocktails in Cuba, and out of that have come some pretty delicious results.
The wine selection is very diverse. Everything that I've had is delicious.
I always send people to Copa because in addition to making great food, they are making great community.
They opened a restaurant and started a farm, and we are all the beneficiaries of that.
If the food isn't good, what is? But it is so much richer when you have people who are putting things on your plate with that passion behind it.
Copa is at 107 West Main Street in downtown Durham, and they're open for lunch, weekend brunch, and dinner. For more information, give them a call at 919-973-0111 or go online to copadurham.com.